Upbeat music plays. Scene opens with the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop on the left and the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop on the right. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely so you can afford that extra slice of pizza every Friday night. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning with a showdown between two heavyweights, the Shark S5003D Genius and the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam. Pointing at the Shark, on my left, we have the Shark, the mop that's smarter than your ex. And on my right, it's the BISSELL, the steam mop that's more versatile than your friend who claims to be a jack of all trades, but is really just a master of none. Let's get our mop on. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Shark comes in at a wallet-friendly $129, making it a hit among reviewers who appreciate its value for money. Users have praised its effectiveness in deep cleaning various surfaces and noted that it's easy to use. Meanwhile, the BISSELL is strutting in at $159, which some reviewers feel justifies its higher price with additional features and versatility, particularly for those who want to feel good about contributing to pet rescue initiatives. Now, let's dive into the water tank capacity. The Shark has a 220 milliliter tank, which users say is sufficient for most cleaning tasks. Reviewers love that it's easy to fill and use. On the other hand, the BISSELL features a removable tank, which many find convenient, allowing for easy refills without the hassle of measuring cups. Reviewers appreciate that it allows for a more personalized cleaning experience, making it user-friendly. Next, let's get into the nitty-gritty of cleaning technology. The Shark features a genius head with direct steam channeling and double-sided dirt grip pads. Users have noted that this design allows for effective cleaning on different surfaces, especially vinyl wood floors. Meanwhile, the BISSELL boasts an intelligent LED display and fingertip mode controls, which have been praised by users for enhancing the cleaning experience by providing real-time feedback. This makes it feel like you have a personal assistant helping you clean. Let's talk about ease of use. The Shark comes with touch-free technology, which reviewers love for eliminating the struggle of changing dirty pads. It's like a magic trick without the top hat. In contrast, the BISSELL has LED headlights that help illuminate dark corners, allowing users to see what they're cleaning. The swivel head has also been highlighted by users as a fantastic feature that enhances maneuverability, making it easier to reach tricky spots under furniture. Finally, let's discuss cleaning pads. The Shark has double-sided washable pads, which many users appreciate for their effectiveness and easy maintenance. Reviewers find them useful for tackling tough stains. On the flip side, the BISSELL has washable microfiber pads that can be tossed in the washing machine, making cleanup a breeze. Users enjoy the ease of maintaining the pads, making it feel like a laundry party for their cleaning tools. Overall, the Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is highly regarded for its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. Reviewers frequently mention its ease of use and cleaning power. In contrast, the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam Scrubbing Steam Mop is praised for its innovative features and versatility, appealing to those who want a more advanced cleaning experience. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S5003D Genius Steam Mop is a budget-friendly, no-fuss option that gets the job done with style. Meanwhile, the BISSELL SpinWave Smart Steam offers more bells and whistles, perfect for those who like to keep things fancy while saving adorable pets. Pointing at both products, which mop reigns supreme? That's up to you to decide. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, whether you choose Shark or Bissell, you'll be one step closer to a cleaner, happier home. Winking. Until next time, keep buying smart, and may your floors always be spotless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Bye! Outro music plays as the screen fades to black with the channel logo displayed.